Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment in one of the autonomous institute. Here, the multiple vacancies are there from the different departments, and eligibility is PG plus UGC net or PhD, and the salary for the assistant professor category is 15,600 to 39,100 rupees, and the academic grade pay is also available. The last date to apply this one is the 23rd June 2020. So these are all the highlights of this notification, and before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my notifications as the immediate updates to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the College of Engineering Pune. It is an autonomous institute of government of Maharashtra. So you first enter into the official website of this college. So here this college website is coep.org.in, and after entering into this official website, just scroll down. Here you can see the recruitment block. Click on this one, then here you can see like this, the recruitment for post of associate, assistant and adjunct faculty. For online application form, you can click here. For the notification, click on this one, click the recruitment notice, then you will be directed to this official notification from this College of Engineering Pune. And here you can check that for the adjunct faculty ad hoc basis for the 11 months are invited from the eligible candidates, and for associate and assistant professor it is a full time, and all interested candidates are requested to visit the website for details and submit online application form on or before 23rd June 2020. It is the last date up to evening 5 o'clock, along with online application fee, that is 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the backward class and specially enabled candidates. Bank details are provided in this notification. So it is the official website as I told you already. And then the recruitment for the post of associate and assistant professor adjunct faculty. So the number of posts are given in the annexure 1 and annexure 2. So these are all the qualifications. First I will show you in which departments the posts are there. Then we will see the in detail qualifications and all. So it is annexure 1. Here you can see it is for the associate professor category. So these are all the department, and the number of posts in the department based upon the caste category is also given here. And while coming to the assistant professor category, see here the departments and planning 11, mechanical engineering 7, electrical engineering 2, electronics and telecom 2, metallurgical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering. So like that, the total 14 departments are there in the assistant professor category, and huge number of posts are there. I think nearly 50 number of posts are there, including all these 14 departments, right? So the chemistry, mathematics, biology, humanities and social science, English and psychology. So these departments are also announced the vacancies. And now we will see the minimum qualifications required for the individual departments. So the qualification for the post of full-time associate professor in engineering or technology, the PhD, and at least six research published journals and minimum 8 years of teaching experience. At least 2 years of teaching experience must be after the PhD. And coming to the management, also the PhD, 6 research publications and minimum 8 years of experience. And coming to the basic sciences, that is biology, chemistry, physics and mathematics, BSc and MSc in the relevant, PhD and minimum 8 years of teaching experience and 7 publications. Humanities, that is English and psychology, BA, MA and PhD and minimum 8 years of teaching experience. And coming to the full-time assistant professor, so in the assistant professor category also they are asking for the PhD, and management also PhD required, and in basic sciences also BSc, MSc with the PhD, and after PhD the guiding the PhD students is highly desirable, and age limit is also kept here 35 years, and for the humanities category also PhD is required. Coming to the adjunct faculty for engineering and technology, in case sufficient PhD candidates for a discipline are not available, then only they will go to the ME MTech with the GATE score. However, such candidates on selection will be based upon the appointment as adjunct faculty for 11 months on ad hoc basis only. and for these 11 months you are going to get a consolidated pay of 60,000 rupees per month if you are ME or MTech, or if you are the PhD candidate you are going to get the 70,000 rupees per month. And these are all the things. So for planning program also, if PhD candidates are not there, then they will go for the post graduation with GATE. For management also the same thing, and for basic science also same thing. But while coming to the basic sciences, they're asking for the NET or SET must be qualified if PhD is not there. Okay. So these are all the in detail things. And while coming to the application form, here the online application form is there, as I already told you right now. So it is online application form to fill up, and 23rd June is the last date, and application fee is also there. Account details for online payment. Okay, for online payment, here the account details are given here. So candidates are required to provide an online form the details of fee payment, such as after paying the fee through online to this account number, you will get the UTR number. That UTR number and the amount paid and the date of transaction, all these things you have to enter into the online application form, right? So these are all the details, and for more details you please enter into the official website of this College of Engineering Pune, that is coep.org.in, and then go to the recruitment blog. Then you will come to know the complete details regarding this notification. Right, so it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. For more updates, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.